Good morning, all. Welcome to Anandati Morning Commodity and Currency Podcast. Let's begin with precious metal update. Gold direction remains data dependent. Now, with investors, look forward to today's US economic docket featuring the release of retail sales and industrial production data for short term trading opportunities. Later during the session, though emergence of some US dip buying acts as a barrier for strong upside. Meanwhile, any meaningful slide also seems elusive in the wake of belts for two rate cuts by the Federal Reserve in 2024. Apart from this, speeches by a slew of influential FOMC members this week will also play a key role, which, along with the broader risk sentiments, should provide some impetus to the precious metal. Technically, gold intraday support is around 71,300 and 70,900, while resistance is seen around 71,900 and 72,300. Going ahead with energy update, crude oil has advanced this month, pairing a quarterly drop as OPEC Plus agreed to extend supply cuts, keeping oil market in deficit for yet another quarter. Prices might extend gains for another couple of sessions amid wider risk on mood, but the rally don't seem to be sustainable as demand growth in China still remains uncertain. Crude oil intraday support is around 6,580 and 6,515, while resistance is around 6,740 and 6,820. Continuing with base metal update, copper prices remain on the downside due to concern about weak domestic demand and lack of support for prices. Yesterday's Chinese data showed that stimulus measures are not having a significant impact on the property sector. Today's US retail sales data will indicate if worsening unemployment and rising credit card debts have begun to affect spending. The lack of panic selling in the LME complex suggests that the downtrend has more room to extend. All metals are in a sell on rise zone. Copper intraday support is around 847 and 843, while resistance is around 853 and 863. On currency front, dollar index remain in a sideways trading range so far this week as investors await more US economic data to guide the interest rate outlook further. Despite choppy price action on most Asian currency through previous week, the rupee was range bound between 83.47 and 83.57 and continued to do so until any major breakthrough is seen. Major events scheduled today are US retail sales, US industrial production, FOMC member Barclay speaks. That's all for today's podcast. Have a successful trading day. Thank you.